To take it more concrete, when Traxon EQ Sympholink system is combined with Lighting Recipe Studio's sensing algorithm and the spatial models, what is the biggest changes for customers?
I think the biggest change is the shift from just scene control to evidence-based space operation. Traditional control systems can switch brightness or color temperature, schedules, and preset scenes. But with Lighting Recipe Studios integrated into our system, what we are aiming for is something more advanced. A system that not just executes commands, but better understands the current use of space, the needs of the people in that space, and whether the lighting environment is actually achieving the intended outcome. That means customers now move from just we can control light to we can operate light with purpose. This would be highly valuable in office, in healthcare, in education, hospitality, transportation hubs, and premium commercial environments, because it shifts lighting from just equipment logic to operational logic. From a market perspective, what do you think is the most important signal that this collaboration sends to the industry?
To me, the most important signal is very clear. The next step of healthy light is not more slogans. It's more complete system capability. This industry has already done a great deal from the advocacy and the controls to design and the digitalization. All of that matters, but if we truly want to move forward to the next generation of lighting value, we cannot only talk about the product, and we cannot only talk about the standard clauses, but we need to build a capability that truly connect science, design, systems, and on-site verification. The fact that Traxon EQ is willing to step forward at this moment, in my view, very meaningful, because it shows that a mature system brand is choosing to engage with the future rather than staying only within the language of the past success. So I would say this is not just the technical integration, it is also a step above where the industry needs to go next.